I'm going to show you exactly how to use formulas in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that makes calculating and analyzing your data easy, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click Create. Then choose Sheets from the left tab. Let's open a blank worksheet to start fresh. Once it loads, you'll have a fully interactive worksheet ready to work on. But the part you're really here for is learning how to use formulas in Canva Sheets. It's actually pretty simple and works just like other spreadsheet software. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear, type in an equal sign, and the formulas shortcut will automatically open. From here, you can choose from the most common functions. Sum, which adds up a range of numbers, average, which calculates the average of a range of numbers, count, which counts the number of cells with values in a range, min, which finds the smallest value in a range, and max, which finds the largest value in a range. So simply select the formula you want to use, then your range, and enclose that with a closing parenthesis, then hit enter. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You can now start using formulas in Canva Sheets to make your worksheets smarter and more functional. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.